Hello everyone, bringing another video for the financial market. That's another strategy. This strategy is similar to the previous one, except we are going to use the combination of several indicators in different configuration. Let's quickly move on to configuration. Well, two indicators, guys. We're gonna use parabolic SAR, moving average, and DeMarker. Alright, so that's our indicators. Okay, so let's configure that. Let's set up all it one by one. Okay, parabolic SAR, we're gonna use 002 with 02. Okay, that's red, and say that's average. For that, we're gonna use 20 on period, exponential, the colors that's your choice, and for the last one, the marker 14. Okay, the stars won't show there if you want to use the same, but that's up to you. Alright, so that's structure about it, guys. Simple. I'm going to use the structure general price cross the average for SARS point appear at the point. And here you always enter the downside, it could be the entry point. Okay, upward entry in that pair. Let's look at the following, and we just use the buy button with $14. Alright, so we have for around 4 to 5 points on parabolic side of that. As the price breach can compress, it could the price action concept based on the resistance support and enter in that direction. Guys, I want to imply to wait for this break the average so they can enter. Let's see once it's break the average, it's giving me the entry. Let's see how the first position won for that. We got $25 seconds for that. All right, let's see that. So let's see what's happening. Look at this pass for the entry points. That's pretty good for us. 5 seconds. Okay, that's almost done. We got our first one, guys. What would have happened if I have entered the candle confirming that's had broken? Let's see that. Okay, we got this right now. That's pretty good. Look at the point for the marker. We need to pay attention when I have this one. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So that is the point, guys. You need to pay attention. The parabolic SAR and the marker as well. Okay? Let's increase our amount to $25 and let's make another entry on this one. That's a little volatile. We could say now it's a red indicator to me. The price is covered, just crossing the average. Look at this. All right. So that's the first confirmation. Second mark is already making that. It's upward. That's good. And the seconds, that is a red indicator 2 at 3 points. The price is already falling from several points for me. That's his compress. It's come back up. That's where I entered on the upside. Okay, I'm making new high for me. Let's wait for that. Almost 20 seconds for this. Maybe I entered a little late, but well, I'm still in the edge of the zone. And that's how the position works with be the hard stopping. Oh my gosh, man. That starts to go down. That is kind of a lot too. Please just go up. 5, 4, 3. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. That was a draw, man. I can't believe that. But at least we recovered the money. I don't know that second. That's just a draw. So let's do this again, right? Second chance. After this, at the time, the previous parabolic, but I didn't see any good because it was so volatile. I decided to enter, guys. So I decided to take for another entry on that. The market's already very high, but it still wasn't making the low for me. All right. So look at that. That's pretty good. I'm going to wait to see how the second position turns out. Well, the third attempt, second one's a tie. That's all. Let's see if we get into the wins on this pair. All right. 17 seconds, 15 seconds. So we need to wait for that. And look at that, guys. This respecting so good and going high, man. Look at that. Win comfortably. Working perfectly at this big win. $46, man. Oh my gosh. All right, look at that for 15 seconds. Let's increase that. That's pretty good, guys. There's a lot of volatility on this one. Here we have something very interesting. The price. You see the price is doing. The price is falling here and start to compress. You can see that start to compress again. Doesn't happen. It's gone with a strong apart, guys. Trended yet, but what is the fractal cause? Here generated points. You can imagine this. The parabolic that's showing for us. That is again 5 points. Yeah, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or around that. 30 seconds remaining, and look at this points. As I said, that's pretty good. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Yeah, that is just respecting the trend. So good, man. Look, that's curvature on this DeMarker, man. It's pointing up. That's pretty good. The price is rising. Look at the mark, man. There's the point that's telling me that, yes. And then that's entry point. Well, I entered much more earlier, guys. But look at that. It's a win again. $82 of profits. All right. That's pretty good, guys. This case is all the same. But, well, I didn't get it. Didn't get my entry down. I already know. And I saw that. And it's late. I was very low. I'm not going to enter low because I might lose here, guys. So I enter high, not high. I raise my accounts 14 to 82. It's very simple strategy. You have to patient above all wells. 80 points until the peer and have not closely the function of the candles. See what it does to me after does this to me. The compression, that's good because they give me the upper arm movements. And now it's 15 seconds. All right. I invite you to leave your opinion on the comments, like the video, share it, subscribe, and see you in the next live session, guys, every day. Have a good one. See you actually right now. Wish good profits and have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.